Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. It's really windy, so you might have to bear with me if the wind picks up and makes that noise that telephone microphones love. This is a Miele, I can't remember, W3264, 3240, 3240, this one. I threw a brick in it because I couldn't fix it. This one here, this is the one that I've had the longest. It's been set up for a while, it's the Novatronic one. I didn't throw a brick in it because I find those Miele motors quite complicated to hotwire, so I've left it as it is, taken the bits out of it for a fire pit because I'll get a few quid that way. Didn't make any videos of that. This one over here is coming next, WM81 Hotpoint. I'm going to take the top off, the motor should be on top, and I'm going to wreck it. There's a pair of jeans in it by the looks of things. I think I'll leave them in there and see what happens when I throw a brick in it. I just want to get rid of it. I just want to tidy up the garden's a bit of a state. That trampoline's got to go. Got more Miele over there. Crazy 3 Miele motors. Don't know if they're working, don't know what's good. It's all got to go to the scrap because I want to tidy up. I'm getting sick of this kind of chaos. So I'll post a video about that. But more interestingly, at the moment I got this thing at TD. I'm not going to remember what it's called. It's a special type of microchip that's been designed for controlling washing machine motors in applications that aren't, destruction. So what I'm going to do is make a video of that and try and wire up that, what's that thing called? Grindstone in my cellar. Wire the grindstone up on that basis with this new controller. See how that goes, because I think that would be really cool. It seems to be this Russian guy who's put them together and is selling them on eBay. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, more videos coming of more washing machine destruction. If you like my videos, subscribe to the channel. There's loads more in the unlisted titles, so if you have a certain type of video you like, check out the playlist for that type of video, because there's lots of unlisted videos in the playlist, so you could watch them before anyone else. Thanks for watching, see you later.